let's talk about action lines, the part of your screenplay that shows what the audience actually sees on screen. Action lines describe the physical movement, the sounds, and visuals of the scene. They are written in the present tense because everything in a screenplay happens right now. For example, John sprints across the street and dives behind a parked car. That's an action line. It is simple, visual, and direct. Good action lines are short and easy to read, usually 1 to 3 lines at a time. Focus only on what the camera could capture. If we can't see it or hear it, then don't write it. Avoid writing what a character is thinking or feeling unless it's shown through behavior, or of course maybe you have a character that reads minds or something. So instead of saying something like John feels scared, you might write John trembles as he grips the gun. And don't direct the camera. Skip phrases like we see or the camera pans, unless of course your scene has an actual camera person as part of the story. Perhaps. Just describe what happens and let the director decide how to show it later. Action lines are about clarity and rhythm. So the cleaner and more visual they are, the better your script will read. And if you want to actually try some of this stuff out, I've put together a 10-day screenwriting course. It's only $10, basically the same as grabbing a hot chocolate and a cookie at a cafe. It's in the link in the description if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.